Okay,
Receiver is still connected.
let's do some flying. Okay, looks good. Quite a breeze there, stiff breeze coming from there. Okay. And arm. That was a dodgy takeoff. Let's see how long I can get to fly today. I've actually put crossfire in this model now. So I don't have to worry about range. It'll get far too small and I won't be able to see it. Let's sit on the quad. Let's fly the mountain, see if we can wake up the baboons. I haven't heard the baboons for a few days.
6 minutes.
Let's see if there's any uplift. The wind is coming parallel to the mountain, so normally I have to get a bit closer to get lift. Oh, it's quite breezy there. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the plane. It's quite strange flying up against a mountain, you know, seeing something in the background. Normally you're just seeing sky, so you've got to watch your orientation. Oh, there's quite a blustery wind up there.
5 minutes.
That's interesting. Let's put a bit of down trim in. There can be a lot of wind turbulence up against this area. Yeah, because behind me it's so open. I mean, when I do the receiver test,
4 minutes.
I go 5 kilometers away, and it's even further than then it's open. So the wind can get quite vicious here and gusty. Wow, yeah, there's some funny wind currents over there. That took it all over the place. You can see, look at that. It's you won't be able to see it on the video, but it's been buffeted all over the place.
Sensor lost.
Interesting. I used to practice with the doing dead sticks with my gas engines. Used to practice it quite a lot. Most of the time I'd actually just turn the motor off before landing, and then try and land on the runway, which
Sensor lost.
still too high. Now we'll go for it. There we go. Whoops, lazy. No, I'm going to go round again. Not happy with that.
30 seconds.
It's good to practice doing this anyway. Okay, let's let it sink a bit more. There we go. I'm a bit further out. Okay, I'm going to be too far away now. But anyway, let's come in.
10, 9, 8.
Here we come. Not bad, eh? Okay, let's do the second battery. Where's the wind? Okay, now it's slightly down there. Okay, let's arm. It's interesting that I was losing sensors then. I wonder what sensor I was losing. Because for Crossfire, this is not very far away. It's not more than what? I would say 200 meters. I'm flying away from me. The air's a bit steadier now. I'd like to have a big glider to fly here actually. I've launched gliders from bungees and that. I nearly lost one once at the local airfield. It hit a thermal and I was given
6 minutes.
full down elevator and it just wouldn't come down. My people who were flying with me there, they were keeping an eye on it so we didn't lose where it was. I think it's fun flying both quadcopters and fixed wing. This is not fully aerobatic. It doesn't like being upside down, so it's definitely not aerobatic. I have tried to fly this inverted, but he really doesn't like it. He gets very upset.
Minutes.
Let's try inverted. No, it's not going to do it. It does not want to have anything to do with it. Oh look, there's a hawk. Let's not frighten it. He's way away from me. Look at that. That is so cool. Quite a few times I've flown with them here. They've even followed me. He's coming round again. I don't think you'll be able to see this. That is so cool. Look at that. I'm not scaring it because I wouldn't want to do that, but it's... Oh, there's quite a bit of lift up there. There you go, he's coming round again. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. It'll be too small, I think. He's cruising around. That is so cool. Look at that. There you go, he's following me. Look at that. He's actually following me. There seems to be quite a bit of lift up there. Maybe the wind. Put a bit of power on. Let's go and do a triple. 1, 2, 3, pull out.
Minutes.
Let's go up, 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 and spin. 1, 2, 3, and out again. It's good for beginners that when they're flying, once they can take off properly and land, is to go up and do silly things at altitude so they get used to what the aeroplane can get itself into and then learn how to get out of it. When I've taught people to fly, I've done that. I've taken it up and then give them the sticks and said, right, now do this, and then they stall it, because you need to know, how an aeroplane acts. Even with new ones, I always go up and check that. The first thing I do is I'll trim it out and then I go to altitude and then I stall it to see what happens, so that if I'm low to the ground I know what to do. In other words, make sure it doesn't go to stall speed. This is so much fun flying up against this hill.
2 minutes.
I don't know if you can see that. He's drifting in. Let's not go behind me. Old school, you see. You never fly behind you. I know you can do that with quads, but there's a safety thing at the flying fields. You never fly behind you. That's where people will watch you. Now I've got Crossfire in here, but I used to fly this on the Hobby King receivers, and I never had any fail-safes flying here.
minute,
Okay, I suppose I better land. Let's go back and come down this way. Let's just jump the throttle off. Okay, that is very high. Let's go out a bit. Yes, there's lift up there. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but she's gaining height. Wow, they're way too high. Oh well, I've got enough battery to keep the receiver going. Oh, look at that, cool, it's going up. No electricity. I actually did a demonstration of quads to some children here from one of the schools, and I asked the children, you know, if an aeroplane loses its engine, can it fall out of the sky? Most of them said yes, so I explained to them how an aeroplane works. She's miles out. I don't know if I'm going to get a turn in first. Am I going to get a turn in? I'm going to have to go round. I just want to maintain my height though. I don't want to gain height, I don't want to lose height. There you go. And when you're coming into land, well, everything gentle, nothing aggressive.
flaps 1,
Let's put flaps on this time.
2,
She's just gliding. There you go. There you come. Come on. There we go. And flare. There we go. Landed.
disarm motors.